We're Brian and Anna Carlisle, and we're building a Monroe 1. What has set Shaw Homes apart from other builders for us is the quality that they offer and also the selection that they offer when it comes times to choose your different options.
What we've enjoyed
Hold on.
about
Okay, go ahead.
what we've enjoyed about the process of building has just been going to the design studio and picking out all our finishes, and we've just really enjoyed the whole process.
If I could give someone else advice about the building process, it would be to do your homework and have an idea about what you're interested in, what kind of styles, finishes you like, options you may be interested in, and that will just give you a head start in working with your design consultant at the studio.